we'll go to the beach. Yeah, this is my feet. Wala ko naligo guys, like, namunas lang ko. Okay, I don't want to wash my hair. Okay, makadaot na siya every time magsige kag shampoo or what. Quick makeup look. Quick makeup is like light makeup. I am using sunblock cream. So, pupunta ako ngayon sa may, sa Maricar Beach Resort. Ito, try ko yung kayak nila. So, I will tell you everything, guys. And sorry, mahina yung boses ko. Kasi, mahina talaga yung boses ko, guys. Like, super. Kailangan ko ng microphone, wireless microphone soon. Sana may mag-donate. I-ring tag naman. Ako lang ba yung maliligo pero naka-makeup? Loose powder. Blush on. Boost na yung ano ko guys, mascara. Yung galing guys. Light lang. Ethereal Beauty. Okay, sobrang Latina. Charing. This is my look. Let's go. To the beach. OMG, it's so nice. So we are now here at Maricar Beach Resort, located at Barangay Kinamitlan. So near lang din siya sa barge guys, like very near sa wharf. Place. So, ito yung ano nila guys, coffee shop. So, ginagawa pa yung coffee shop nila dito sa Actually, this is the place na napagawa ni CJ. So, yung side. So, hindi sila open ngayon. Like, close sila ngayon guys. Yeah. This is the ambience here. So every Saturday and Sunday, may ano sila, it's like may live band. And I don't know until now. Siguro Saturday, Sunday ate. So ito yung live band places nila. And this is these cottages. And open cottages. And this is their canteen or the bar area. This is the canteen, the bar area. Let's go! Mag-rent ang kayak, guys. And I will try this one. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Kai. Okay, running. Okay. Okay na to. Thank you, guys! So guys, this is a very... Mahalo ko, gusto ko ikauban. Like, mabora man siya, pero kung cellphone akong ikagulan. Relax. Just relax. Kagubatan. Park sa ta! Okay, nato sa ito ng cellphone para makakayap na. Time check, it's 8:45 p.m. and currently I am here at Misty Hall, Sam Island, and this is my tour run kasi nagwo-walk lang ako guys, like whereas ako nagdagat dito, ikan ko nagkaon, tapos I don't know, like it's very katugnaw. Walking sa takaran guys, grabe jud. Yung goal ko sana is na maka 5 p.m. ako, pero yung time is medyo alanganin na siya. Like, mahalok na ko pag ako na lang isa din mabili sa sakyan. Though safe man siya, pero ang pag-ulit ako sa balay, like, yeah, medyo ngit-ngit na, like mingaw na. So walking lang sa ako until 9 PM lang ko diri, and after that mag-rest na ta and we will go to sleep na.